DCS Breaks here live with a break. One full box of 2015 Topps Chrome Baseball and 15 packs of a Refractor Hot Box for Ravens O's 410. We're going to start right away. He requested that we open the Refractor Hot Box packs after the full box, so we're going to do that. We'll start with the full box. Good luck, Ravens O's 410. Box is empty. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Chrome Commencements, Matt Shoemaker. Gilder Rodriguez Refractor. Danny Hechavarria Refractor. Just base. And we have a refractor autograph of Daniel Corsino, numbered to 499. 261 of 499. Daniel Corsino, refractor auto. Future Stars Rafael Yanoa. Refractor of Nick Swisher. Matt Shoemaker Prism and a Chris Bryant rookie card. Starling Marte Refractor. Kyle Seager Prism. Andrelton Simmons Purple, numbered to 250. Andrelton Simmons Purple. We got a blue of Felix Hernandez to 150. Refractor of Mike Foltynewicz. Future Stars Dilson Herrera. Refractor of Max Scherzer. Gregory Polanco Prism. Eric Hosmer Refractor. Gallery of Greats Andrew McCutchen. And your second autograph is R.J. Alvarez for the Oakland Athletics. Base auto of R.J. Alvarez. Refractor of Troy Tulowitzki, and the last pack of the full box. Andrelton Simmons Prism. Alright, on to the Refractor Hot Box. Good luck on these. I feel a good one coming. All refractors. Gallery of Greats, Clayton Kershaw. And your first auto, Brian Mitchell of the New York Yankees, base auto. So one more auto to go. Need a good one to make up for those ones. A gold of Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, numbered to 50, number 43 of 50, Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez. Yimi Garcia Prism. Travis d'Arnaud Prism. You got a bunch of good refractors in here. You got a purple of Hunter Strickland, number 32 of 250, Hunter Strickland. 3 packs left. Dalton Pompey Prism. And your second auto, Steven Moya of the Detroit Tigers, base auto. Steven Moya. We'll do a recap after this last pack for you. Here's your recap. Steven Moya base auto, Hunter Strickland purple to 250, Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez gold to 50, Brian Mitchell auto, RJ Alvarez auto, Felix Hernandez blue to 150, Andrelton Simmons purple to 250, Chris Bryant rookie card, and a Daniel Corsino refractor auto to 499. Thanks for buying Ravens O's 410.